Chuchitos. Cornmeal dumplings stuffed with meat. A main dish from Guatemala. You will
Serves
need
2.
10 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the chicken or pork into 1-inch cubes and fry in oil over medium heat for 3 minutes. Step 2. Set aside. Step 3. Process the tomatoes, chili pepper and 2 tablespoons water into a smooth sauce. Set aside. Step 4. Mix the flour, margarine, 1½ cups cold water and the salt together into a thick mush. Step 5. Put ½ cup mush in each wet corn husk, push an indent into the mush, and add 1 tablespoon sauce and a chunk of meat. Step 6. Cover the stuffing with the mush and wrap the dumpling into a sausage shape of the corn leaves. Step 7. Steam the chuchitos over hot water over moderate heat for 1½ hours. Step 8. Unwrap and eat warm or at room temperature. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.